guys, we are ready to start right now. We're gonna apply the cleaning solutions and then do some agitation for getting rid of all those stains. We have a fine fabric shampoo right now. Some degreaser that we are gonna apply also, and then we do the agitation. Easy, simple steps. And then the extraction with all fiber rings from the truck. 200 Fahrenheit degrees. So after the wet passes, we'll go ahead with the dry passes, drying everything. Also, we are gonna clean some cushions from here, from the patio. I'm gonna show you guys. Very nice and quiet over here. Beautiful patio. And we are sanitizing and cleaning some of the patio cushions from this set over here. And then we have some from the pool area from here. Very nice day today in Palm Springs. We're having 95 degrees. Summer is near. Just beautiful here and refreshing, beautiful view. After we get done, we're gonna apply some Scotch Guard. Thank you guys for watching us, and thank you for your comments, and God bless you. And I hope all is well with you guys, and we'll try to post another video. Thank you again for your likes and support and comments. God bless you. Bye bye.